Hey there, I want to tell you about this winter's online course because it's really special. It's on our new platform where we can host a community while we have the course. So that to me is really exciting because during the course, you're going to have a private membership community where you can post pictures of your work in progress. I can see them, other people can see them, they can comment on them. I think that's really wonderful. The course, of course, this is the pattern. And when you order the kit, or you order the linen pattern with the course, you get the bag. We're going to pop the bag in as an extra special bonus. And I love the bag. Like, I feel like it's style, and of course it matches my whole area here, which is great. So that's our online winter course for this year. It's also going to provide you with a completion certificate from Deanne Fitzpatrick Studio. So there's some new things with this year's winter online course, and it's set up in lessons. We have the lessons begin on March the 3rd, and on March the 3rd, you'll get your first set of lessons. And then a few days later, we're going to send you some more. But this is a really special bonus this year. We're going to have 2 hook-ins because this course is about friendship. It's about reaching out to each other and caring for each other. And that's what we're supposed to do here, right? We're here to be good to each other. And so this course, you're going to learn so much in it, like about details, friendship, the roll of the waves, hooking the calm kind of ocean, making a sunset sky, doing the details on people. Like there's just so much in this gorgeous course. So I just want you to get enrolled. It's a very short time. We have to get the kits all out by about the 14th of February. So we need to know whether or not you want to join by within the next 5 or 6 days. So we have a very short period for our early bird pricing and for you to be able to get the kit or the pattern mailed to you. So just go on at hookingrugs.com right away and get registered. I'm so excited to bring you this whole new way of creating, communicating, and teaching with you. And I learned a lot myself doing this, so I've got a lot to teach you. hookingrugs.com. I'm Deanne Fitzpatrick. See ya.